Did you see this chart right here? Bitcoin hash ribbons just flashed a buy signal. What happened last time we did that? 68% rally. Time before that, 70% rally. Time before that, 850% rally. What's about to happen next for Bitcoin? If you're new here, my name is Steve. On this channel, if you want to use your crypto to gain financial freedom, there's no better place than right here. Hit that subscribe button right now. We just cover the facts in the charts, nothing else. Now, if you want to wait to hit that subscribe button, that's okay. I'll make a deal with you. During this video, I'm going to prove it to you. And at the end, you hit the subscribe button. We have a deal? Let's jump into the video. We're on the weekly chart, Bitcoin US dollar index. We have the hash ribbons at the bottom. You can pull up the hash ribbons using your indicator tab for free. Now, once you pull it up, you're going to notice that sometimes Bitcoin prints a buy signal when we have this red part. Other times, we do not print a buy signal, right? There's a key definition that I'm going to break it down, but make no mistake, we just printed this buy signal. We haven't had one since back here in January, which we had a 68% rally right after that buy signal. Now, things are really heating up, and we covered last week how we had this little blip of red that people were like unsure about, and we really broke it down. We said, hey, be ready. We're waiting for that buy button to come, and it has come. If you just look at the past couple buy buttons that we've had printed, right? 2019, 300% rally after this buy button. 2019 again, 48% rally after this buy button. 2020, 850% rally after this one. And even in the midst of our market cycle top, with our first bottoming action coming out of that, we still had a 70% rally with this buy button back in 2021. And here we are today with the brand new buy button. What is this one going to print? Because if you just cover the past few, they're astronomical. Now, here's the key. What we have right now is sideways action in phase one of the bull. The next move of the bull is when we move into phase two, which usually we build market structure directly on top of what is our current resistance, and then our head is kind of at that 48K area. So it's not likely that this buy button will push us above 48K in this calendar year. That's my projection based on all of the facts that I study. I know that's not what you want to hear. You want to hear this is going to go up to 60, 70,000 in the next month or two. It's just not realistic. That's not what the charts are saying. So we do have a buy button. Now here's the difference when it prints a buy button versus not printing, which it didn't print here. What we need is for a couple things to be true. You can see that there are two moving averages in the hash ribbons. You need this moving average, the green one, to go below this gray moving average, right? The fast moving averages goes below, and then you need it to pop back above. When it pops back above, we have these circles print. But the only way to make the blue button print is when it pops back above, we need price to follow. We need price to go up. Price didn't go up here. Price went down, so there was no buy button. Here, we had this cross. The fast moving average crossed back through. Price went up. We printed the buy. It's that simple, okay? So that's how it works with the hash ribbons. The hash ribbons is essentially targeting the miners and when they capitulate. Basically, if the miners are giving up, it's probably a good time to buy, right? That historically has held true for the history of Bitcoin. In particular, we just looked at the past buy buttons. So where do we project this thing to go? We project for us to sit with market structure on top of here and start building the next leg of the bull market. It should be relatively boring for multiple months of moving sideways, and we should hold support on top of here, and we should not go above 48K. That's my projection based on the facts and the charts. I made a deal with you at the beginning of the video. Hit that subscribe button right now. Shout out to the email list. You can join our email list for free at cryptocareeruniversity.com. We just did a huge trade alert last week that you probably could still pick up. And then we did a huge bonus video for our FFA, showing mad love to the FFA, showing mad love to the email list. OG students, I have a huge surprise coming for you. And to all of my students, I have another huge surprise coming, absolutely free, no hidden charges, none of that BS. But I discovered some settings in the hybrid indicator that's going to change your life. I'm going to give it for free to all of my students. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you right back here in the next video. Do you want to know when to buy and when to sell? click this video right now.